Alright, just got a haircut, and I'm going to do two things in this video. I'm going to tell you a quick story, but at the same time, I'm going to be checking my audio because I just connected my audio again, and I was having some issues, really some issues with my audio, and comes to find out, alright, you're going to laugh about this, my cable with the audio was unplugged. Yep, yeah, that should tell you how good of a motovlogger I am, right? So here's the thing, some of you guys may be new to the motorcycle and riding bikes and things like that, and as you start riding with people, or as you start riding in general, you start thinking to yourself, wow, must be nice riding with other people. And it is. Wow, that guy's making some noise. But anyways, it is really nice to ride with other people, right? It is really nice to go out there and ride with a lot of guys, but you really got to be careful who you ride with, and in a way you have to kind of be in the same agreement, or being in the same, I don't know, desires of something, right? You got to be riding with the right people, because you may find yourself riding with the wrong crowd. And again, it's not necessarily that those people are doing something wrong, it's just you're not down with that, if you want to put it that way, I guess, in a way. And wow, look at this. It looks like it's gonna rain really bad. But anyways, I wanted to tell you a story because years ago I actually got selected for Staff Sergeant, and I'm not sure if I shared this already here in the channel or not, but I got selected for Staff Sergeant in the United States Marine Corps, and I'm gonna tell you, it's an honor and a privilege. It's just one of the things that it's just amazing, guys. I don't know how else to tell you, but being a Staff Sergeant in the Marine Corps is a great deal. It's fantastic. It's amazing to be able to lead Marines, right? And it takes a long time. It takes typically, years upon years, 10 years, and I spent over 10 years in the military. But as I got selected, which means is that I was going to get promoted, but I was waiting to the promotion day. I already, was like, all right, the Marine Corps was already like, you're going to get promoted. You just got to wait your day. I went out riding with a couple guys, and I was riding a JH6 750 back then, and obviously everybody likes to do silly things with a JH6 750, right? And by no means I was a saint or anything like that, but nevertheless I didn't want to get in trouble, right? So I'm riding with these guys, and these guys are doing dumb stuff. I mean, I don't want to say what they were doing, but it was just not the best thing ever. And I decided that, you know what, I'm going to go home. I'm going to detach and go home. And that's what I did. I just kind of backed away. I slowed down and I went home. And that's about it. And wow, it's starting to rain on me right now. And I remember, I don't know, maybe like 30 minutes or so later, one of the guys kind of meet up at my house. And he was like, hey, what happened? And I told him, I said, dude, I'm not down with that. I'm not going to be doing that stuff. I'm not going to be riding that kind of way. And it is what it is, If you guys want to do that thing, you do it. But not me. And it was okay. It wasn't a big deal. It was fine. Everybody was like, all right. And again, I'm not criticizing those people or anything like that. You do what you do. That's your life. I'm going to do what I do. But at that particular moment and situation, it was just not the kind of riding that I wanted to do, and the people that I wanted to associate myself. I wanted to have a good time. I wanted to ride my motorcycle and enjoy my life. I wanted to go to places to visit, and I just wanted to have a good time. I didn't want to be doing silly stuff. So as you get your motorcycle and you start riding with people, just be aware that once you start riding, like right here, there may be some people doing things that maybe you don't want to be involved with, and you want to be really careful with that. You want to pick your riding buddies the best way you can, and you want to make sure that you guys are in the same path or in the same type of level. The same thing that you want to do is what he wants to do, right? And again, that's just, in my opinion, good advice for anything in life, right? You pick your friends based on what you want to do. So anyways, it looks like it's raining on me. I hope that this video came out good. I guess I'll figure it out when I get home and I check my computer and the footage. I appreciate you guys watching. And as always, God is in control.